Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. In this upside down world, what could be any more upside down than me showing you how to make an old fashioned? Because why not? Why not? This is all you need. Simple syrup, you can make it just muddle with sugar and water if you don't have simple syrup, which is what I've been doing. A little sugar in your glass, a little water, muddle it around. Bourbon, pick the bourbon you choose. I've never had this before, just bought this today. It's a local distillery. Heard good things, but we'll find out. Heck, use any whiskey you want. The whiskey I've been using lately is Michter's American whiskey, which is phenomenal. We're going to try this tonight. Cherries, if you want. That's kind of the treat at the bottom of the old fashioned in my mind. You need an orange. This mandarin orange. Got to do this fresh. I've had orange bitters and they're not nearly as good. And then regular aromatic bitters. What's the recipe? This stuff goes into the glass and then you enjoy it. And if you don't like it, change the recipe. That's it, right? So let's see if I can do this here so you guys can see. We're going to start off with some simple syrup. How much simple syrup, Luke? I don't know. Maybe about that much. Not a lot. Maybe an ounce. Bitters. This is the part where I'm going to go overboard because I love bitters. What is it, Luke? It's bitters. I don't know. Buy it and try it. It's $10 a bottle, but it goes a long ways. I made, I don't know, 30 old fashions and this is still not even close to done. A cherry. I like the cherry. Some people don't even do it. Some people do a lot of the cherry liquid. I like the cherry. So I'm going to find a good one in here. I leave the stem on and I put a little cherry juice in there. I have put too much cherry juice. That's the thing. Only put a little bit of everything until you know you like it. Then finally, this is the tough part. Set this aside. You want orange peel, and you want a fair amount, but not too much. I usually go about double this. Here's the other trick. See all that white there? How there's almost no white here? You don't want white here. White is the part that's bitter. So I'm going to do this, and then you kind of squeeze it all together, rub it on the glass a little bit. Drop it in there. And since if you have a real orange, you can do it in a single thing, but because I got these dinky little mandarins, I need to do a little squeeze, get the oils out, and it's amazing how that orange scent gets in there. Right, now here's the controversial part, based on my buddies. Ice. I put ice in it. How much ice? I don't know. More than 2, less than 30. If you got big ice, great, good for you. Use big ice. This is a high proof bourbon, so I'm going to do a little extra ice because we'll see, right? And here's the trick. Start off with a little bit of bourbon. I don't know, a couple glugs. Taste it, and if you think it needs more bourbon because it's too sweet or there's too much bitters or too much orange, easy to add bourbon. It's hard to add all the other stuff in the right proportion. So all around, give it a go. That's a little spicy. I like that. I really like that. The simple syrup, a lot better than just muddling your own in the glass, I will say, because that makes it sweeter, a lot easier. I want to put a little more bourbon in this, but that's how you make an old fashioned. Thanks for tuning in, YouTube. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. This is an old fashioned. You guys have a great day.